is really happening. Hello! Welcome to this video. Thank you so much for being here. I don't really know how to start this, but basically, today we are going to be doing a little room tour kind of thing. This has been requested by many people, and I've been wanting to film this for a couple of years now, but I haven't been able to get the chance to. But now I have the chance because I'm actually, after this, I'm going to be taking all this down. So this is the only time I'm going to be able to film this, and I'm kind of dreading filming this because I have to take everything down. For those who don't know, my family is moving a couple states away, and so all of this is gonna be no more Fruit Loop wall, no more all this. So this whole area is not necessarily a room, like quote unquote room. It's actually just a nook in the wall. I think that's what you call it. Like right here, from here, like here, from here all the way to right here on my table, that's basically it. But if you see like behind the camera, oh, well, hold on. If you see behind the camera, okay, I'm gonna hide my kitchen because it's kind of messy. It's just this. So this area was for like our living room and stuff. We had our sofa and our TV, and yeah. And my area is basically the only place that's like super colorful. The rest of the house kind of has like a minimalistic contemporary vibe. And this is the only part that's colorful because it's kind of my area, I guess. Like, it's like my studio area where I create, where I work, where I do everything is just in this small little area, and I can't really have it in any other place because we live in like just a 1-bedroom apartment, and like the bedroom is just like where we sleep, and then we have a bathroom, and then the small like little kitchen area. And I think this was supposed to be like the dining area, but yeah, we just we just sit on like the island and eat over there instead of having like an actual table and stuff. But I mean, it's just me, my husband, and Enzo, so it's just the 3 of us in this cozy little space. I'm gonna miss it a lot. Not just the house, but also Texas in general, because I've like lived here for a decade now, which is a pretty long time. And so I'm gonna miss all my friends a lot. And yeah, just there's a lot of memories that were made in this place, and a lot of memories in Texas. So it's very bittersweet. So yeah, but yeah, I feel really lucky to be able to actually have a place to work on all my stuff and do all my little things and do my little dancey dances. It's saliva. But I put in like a lot of hard work and love into setting all of it up and making it my own, and I'm like really proud of it, especially like this Fruit Loop wall right over here, which is I guess the centerpiece of this whole thing. For those who have been asking, the Fruit Loop wall is actually wallpaper that I got from this website called Spoonflower, and they can make like custom wallpaper. And since we live in an apartment, we can't like paint the walls or do anything permanent. So, you know, once we're ready to take it down, we can just pull it off and it's all good. But this took so long to put up. Like, I literally cried because apparently it's supposed to like stick on easily, but it didn't. We tried to stick it on and it like kept falling down, and I kept crying because we were trying so hard, but we eventually managed to find like some industrial tape or something to stick it on, and ever since then it's all good. It didn't fall, or it doesn't fall anymore, so that was good. Yeah, that's where the Fruit Loop ball is from. I love my Fruit Loop ball. It is my baby. All right, so let me show you the rest of the space. So let me pick you up off of this tripod thingy. So right over here is my table area. And so over here I've got like all my different art pieces and stuff that I've collected over the years. I really love this one. I got this from the Takashi Murakami exhibition when we went to check it out in, I think, Fort Worth Contemporary Art Museum. That was really cool seeing that. And then this thingy over here has like all my paperworks and stuff. I also have this like little schedule book thingy right over here. And it's kind of sad because at the beginning of the year, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna like schedule everything and this year is gonna be amazing, 2020, hell yeah. But you know, y'all know of course what happened. So like, I think from January to March, it was all like super organized and stuff. And then after that, it's just all completely blank. And I just kept like, whenever I would stick stickers on my face for a decor look, I would just like stick it in there. And it's just like a sticker book now instead of a planner. And then right under my frog cup that I used to like put my, whatchamacallit, for my glasses, to clean my glasses, I have like my fruit books. I have fresh fruits, and then underneath it I have fruits #1. So I have it right on my table whenever I need a source of inspiration. It's pretty much like my Bible. And so I've got like my tiny mirror that lights up, and then here in my smiley face cup is a worm on a string, and then I have my froggy right over here. And all these, I made these 2 candy pieces, and this pom pom pudding right here actually is like a lamp. But I don't think, yeah, he doesn't work anymore, sadly. Well, I think maybe because he doesn't have battery, but this one doesn't work anymore, sadly. This lava lamp, I don't know what happened. It just like died one day, but I mean, it still looks really cool, so you did your best. And strawberry trash can, this little bear solar powered thingy. I just put like a bunch of junk in here, all my tiny little trinkets. That one right there, Enzo actually drew that for me. It was so sweet. I think he made it in school. I think that's supposed to be me. And then I have my little, what's this thing called? Oh my gosh, how did I forgot. Okay, anyways, I forgot what this is called, but it's a wind turny thingy majiggy. And I have all my stationery, Pikachu crying in a frog pot thing, and Kirby on the toilet. And then I have, I don't know if anybody recognizes this, but I used this for the photo shoot that I did for the Girl Zine magazine that was on the, my brain not working, not functioning. It was on the Rainbow Lady documentary thingy. Yes, that's that. And then right there I have like a tie-dye speaker with my ditto Pikachu. He's so cute. I love him so much. He protects everybody. So he's there. And then right here, just my laptop where I do like all my live streaming, play all my games, do all my things, edit all my videos. Very important, my baby. And then these 2 dudes right here, so he's missing his ears. But these are like these wrist thingies that, because whenever I sit here pretty much all day, and so I have these like for my wrist to just sit right there. There are 2, they're in love, they're lovers. And my chair, I just have like a regular office chair. and my jumper jacket. So that's that part of the room, I guess, room quote unquote. And then I also have these like metallic thingies to decorate the window. And then at the top of the Fruit Loop wall, I have these garland things that some of them have already fallen off, but it's still really cute, I guess. Right here we have the other side of the room. So I have this like curtain rainbow thingy hanging, but I felt it was kind of bare, so I hung up some rainbow lights and I think it looks pretty cool. And then since there was this thing right over here, I thought it would be a nice place to put all the plushies that I have. And so my froggy beanie baby and this like rainbow light, and then I made this mask thanks to Candy Toy Box, their tutorial. Ah, my Blackpink light stick. This has a very like nice memory behind it. I was actually gifted it by a stranger when we were at the concert, so that was really nice of them. And my Kermit, all the gangs all here, and I've had this Smiley banner for so long. We've had this for many years now. My card captor Sakura and a rainbow garland. And then down here, I love this wall area so much. So these art pieces that I have right over here is by an artist, I think, if I'm not mistaken, they are from Chile, and I randomly found them on Instagram, and they're my favorite artists of all time because they mix like these bright colors that I love so much and weeby stuff that I also love so much. So it's perfect. I have Nana over there, my Pokemon buddies, Yu-Gi-Oh! Oh my gosh, I'm so like out of breath. I'm dying. But yes, there's that wall, and I'll link their page at the bottom too. So, and then I have this like cozy corner where I just sit here and chill and scroll on TikTok for hours on end. And right here is my Decora accessories box, and I've organized it all by color. I have like a TikTok showing it, but who knows, maybe I'll make like a YouTube video showing y'all all the different boxes. Here is where I put like all my candy beads. This 6% Doki Doki bag is where I put all my stuff for filming, like just technical stuff. And then my bag, my backpacks. This is like my little backpack area. So yeah, that's pretty much it for like this part of the room. Yeah, there's not really much going on, but I tried to like fill it with as much stuff that I love as possible. That like tiny little area over there is just like for my makeup and for my accessories. I made that accessories video, I think it was like 1-2 years ago. It was quite a while ago, but I'll do like an updated one soon because I got a bunch of new stuff. And I have that from the scene video, the wig sitting there. It is my pride and joy, and I have it on that mannequin that I got from Daiso. But yeah, and then, oh my gosh, you can see my dirty kitchen. We're packing. I have an excuse. That's why it's a mess and our broom is just sitting there. But yeah, I got this mirror, and oh yeah, I think this was in my accessories video too. So I have all my necklaces, and then I pasted a bunch of like foam letters on it so that it looks more colorful and cute. And I hung like all my, like I got this belt and tiny little bags and stuff. Those are like the shoes that I made for the like kawaii, how to kawaii-fy. Oh my gosh, please focus. It's not focusing. Come on. Come on. Yeah, for the how to kawaii-fy your shoes. It's sitting right there. So yeah, that was my room. I hope y'all enjoyed the tour. If anybody wants to know where I got anything, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll try my best to answer. Pretty much everything that I got was online. I hardly ever leave the house back then, and still I don't leave the house ever. It's just me and my buddy. I don't have a name for this giraffe. If anybody would like to name this giraffe, feel free to. So yeah, this is the end. I don't want to end this. Alright, well, gotta just rip it off like a band-aid. This is really happening. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this tour. Please stay safe. Please stay home if you can. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye. Take care.